Hi. Welcome to The Meditation Way. Before watching this video about meditation, don't forget to subscribe for more free videos about meditation. So now let's start. Benefits of meditation. Meditation is a powerful way to bring mind waves into a more relaxing and peaceful alpha wave state. In your highly stimulated, awake state, your brain primarily works in beta frequency. When going through deep meditation, you will experience an equilibrium of mental, emotional, and physical peace. How does meditation have beneficial effects on your health? The simple answer is that it can make you feel better physically. In fact, studies have shown that a daily practice of meditation can help you fight depression, anxiety, and insomnia. When you are meditating, you are helping your body to relax, which improves your mood. Additionally, when you are meditating, you will find that you are less stressed and more able to deal with your daily stressors. Now that we have established how meditation can improve your mood and your ability to cope with daily stressors, let's discuss the benefits of meditation. If you are a person who wants to do more good for the world, then meditation may be a great step toward making this happen. Studies have shown that meditation can help us to reduce or eliminate the negative emotions we hold in our heads. It can also make us more open to other people and situations, and even to new experiences and new learning experiences. And lastly, if you want to live a longer life, meditation can help to slow down the aging process in your body. There are many different types of meditation, and each has their own unique benefits. If you want to choose one that suits your needs and budget, consider visiting a spiritual center or taking courses at a local university or college. Many centers offer classes to teach you basic meditation techniques that will allow you to perform meditation at home. You may also find it helpful to speak with a professional hypnotherapist, who can offer advice about which meditation is right for you. How can meditation benefits you physically? When you are meditating, your body gets into a relaxed state. Your muscles become relaxed, your mind becomes focused, and your consciousness deepens. This allows your mind to experience deeper states of meditation and relaxation. When you are at a deep state of meditation, you will feel lighter, calmer, more centered, and have a sense of well-being. You may even find that you are able to sleep better at night. So, what are the benefits of meditation for you? If you want to experience the benefits of meditation and become a happier, healthier, more relaxed person, think about taking a class or doing some online training at a spiritual center. Once you've decided which type of meditation you want to learn, take some time to discover all it has to offer. When you do start meditating regularly, you will be amazed at how much it will benefit your life. And as you continue to meditate, you will begin to experience these benefits. So if you haven't started, now is the time to take action. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about meditation.